We're here in Puerto Rico in the house.
We're going to house.
Tryna buy a Breaking Bad, to me that's way too cheap. Show me that you fuck with me and gonna make it 3. Show me that you fuck with me, it's something I need to see. See myself and now that's all.
Good morning, y'all. Y'all see the view. We still in Puerto Rico. It's really maybe water. But we're finna go to the rainforest today, and we're gonna like ride down like slides and jump off like the little waterfalls and stuff. I woke up like this. I woke up like got our goodies, some snacks and stuff. Big ass backpack. Oh, the bus driver kind of cute, yo. Hey, look. Let me see. I just play it. But we gon' I'm supposed to wear this. Yeah, that's cute. Real super cute. Okay, y'all. So we're at the first stop. We got our food, chicken, plantains, and rice. I don't know why this cat just want to sit by me, but it's being weird. Like, it's everybody else, and they want to be right here. I think I should give it a piece of chicken. But yeah, so we're gonna see y'all when we get to the rainforest. So we're here. Don't want to really show too much. We're gonna go in the forest and walk around. Just got off the bus. We're gonna hit y'all whenever we're on the slides.
In the house.
Puerto Rico in the house. Woo!
Linda.
What's that?
Belinda, esa singer. You know who's Belinda?
No, I'm about to look it up though.
When
Is she pretty?
When she was like born in
When she was younger? So yeah.
Me no like it. Me no like it.
Look at me, look at me.
Okay.
Sit down, lean forward, and hands on the side, touching the ground.
Say woo! How you feeling? Wait, you gotta go down there. I'm gonna clip and slide, bitch. Like this. You gotta say it loud because you got the case on it. Oh, damn. I don't think y'all gonna be able to hear me anyways, but we're out here in the wilderness. Find a little fucking rocks that have slippery shit on it. It's from all the piss from over the years. Oh, shit! Got my hand. I'm slipping. Yeah, don't put your knees on. Now, Luis. Oh, shit. I could do that on my worst day. Shit.
Lean forward.
I ain't no bitch.
Woo!
Y'all, somebody already got hurt and they're like all the way in the back. I feel bad.
Everybody go to breakfast, have to say bye bye yo, bye bye yo, to the love of my life, my yo, don't cry yo, and if you go and shy 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 yo, sorry, and if you go and shy yo, and if you go and shy yo, and if you go and
Nunca me ha pegado, lo vi.
So y'all, oh my god, look at the view. Bro, this nigga Luis funny as fuck, dog. Bro, he said, y'all ladies are going into the beach, right? I said, probably not. Are you? He said, I would love to not go in. We here with not Oswaldo, but
Also.
No, it's Luis. That's what I was gonna say. Damn, let me get man over here got the Versace glasses. I'm gonna steal those later. Yeah, say what's up to the vlog. They not supposed to be here. Oh, Luis, what's up? They ain't paying us. You can never win. You didn't pay enough. Oh, I told you. 20 more. All right, man.
Hey.
This tour is over. Say sorry. This a vlog, not a fucking. No, that's COVID. They love killing me and I can't conquer it. All right, y'all. We gonna see y'all when we get on the bus. Well, it's not over, but it's over, bitch. Cause I'm going home. I'm tired. The wood, it fell. We're leaving though. I stop by think we finna leave. We walking to the bus and shit. Let me show Avea. Avea drunk. Avea scared. I was finna. But yeah, yo, we walking back to the bus. We got our food. All that, this, that, and the third. We gonna see y'all when we get back to the. Oh, it's them crab right there. Oh, that's lobster. They talking about baddies. Nah, but I'm not gonna lie. I think today was. I had fun, bitch. I don't know about you. Baddie, shot a clock. Baddie, shot a clock. So we just walking back to our bus right there, and Luis. Papi no better. Papi no better. Papi no better. See. Tired. We're getting food at this little restaurant. So what you think about? Oh, I think that we should. I'm a little drunk. I'm so close to film. I want this one. Oh my god, ignore the blurred lines. I got oil all over me because the bugs. I don't want to get bit on by no bugs. Is this the menu? You already know we finna grind and eat. So when the first thing come out, cause I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I already ordered right when I sat down. So when the first thing come out, then we gonna fuck with y'all. Fuck in the morning. Well, what time is it? It's only 9. No. I'm trying to go to sleep. Bro, I'm tired as fuck. We was outside all fucking day. Alright, y'all. We're gonna catch y'all when we get into wherever we walk into. I know y'all gonna say I'm dumb, but oh, trust in the Lord. Motherfuckers see something shiny, they wanna steal it. Alright, y'all. We gonna see y'all later. Man, got us walking in the fucking boonies and shit. I can't do it anymore. Half a mile. No. Bitch, what the fuck? Let me see. Bro, let me see. I'm not playing with you. Let me see, bro. Why the fuck would you walk this far?
2-minute walk? Are you serious? Get your panties out of the fun.
Look at all the cars. I'm just playing. Look at all the cars. Like, cars aren't supposed to be on the street.
Like cars are rare or something like that.
City vibes. Bye, y'all.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.